Hi everyone, here we've got WIKO View 3 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, let's tap on it and let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to find the system. As you can see here, we've got reset options, so simply tap on it, and on the second position we've got the option we're looking for, so simply tap on it, and now your device is telling you that it will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So let's tap on reset settings, and here it will ask you again about that if you are ready to do it, because you cannot undo this action. So just tap on reset settings if you are ready, and as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your WIKO View 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.